Have you ever wondered what really happens when you fast for 5 days? Imagine giving your body a complete reset. No food, just healing. Sounds extreme, right? But fasting is actually one of the most powerful things you can do for your health. The reason it works is simple. Our bodies are built to survive without constant eating, just like in the Stone Age. Back then, we didn't eat 3 meals a day or snacks every few hours. Our genes evolved for periods without food, and when we fast today, we're essentially mimicking that natural pattern. On day 1, your body starts using glycogen, the stored sugar in your muscles and liver, and with it, a lot of water is released. Some people lose 1 to 3 pounds of water weight in just the first day. At the same time, your insulin levels drop, allowing your body to start burning fat for fuel. That's right, you're no longer hungry because you're eating your own fat, one of the most incredible biological foods your body can use. To support this process, electrolytes like sea salt, potassium, magnesium, calcium, and B vitamins are essential, especially if your reserves are low. You can drink tea, coffee without cream or sugar, or water with a little lemon. Moving, walking in nature, and even heat or cold therapy can enhance the benefits. By the end of day 1, your body is already switching off growth processes and turning on repair mechanisms.
By day 2, you're entering ketosis, your body's fat-burning state. This is when your brain starts running on ketones, which boosts focus, learning, and even mood. Hunger fades because your body is efficiently using fat for energy. Another amazing thing happens, autophagy. Your cells start cleaning up old, damaged parts, recycling them into new materials. This is a kind of internal renewal that helps your body heal, rejuvenate, and fight aging. On day 3, ketosis deepens, and your brain feels sharper than ever. Growth factors like BDNF increase, supporting new brain cells, memory, and learning. Autophagy intensifies, cleaning damaged mitochondria and other cell structures, helping prevent chronic illnesses and supporting your immune system. Old white blood cells are recycled, your thymus gland grows, and stem cells increase their potential to rebuild a stronger immune system. Your gut lining also gets a break and begins to heal, while growth hormone spikes, protecting muscle and keeping you feeling youthful. By this stage, your hunger is minimal or gone entirely, and your body is fully focused on repair and renewal.
Day 4 brings maximum fat burning, and hunger is virtually gone. You're fully fueled by your own fat. Autophagy continues at high speed, clearing damaged cells, precancerous tissues, and inflammatory signals. Hormones and antioxidants are optimized, and your body's microbiome becomes more diverse and resilient. By day 5, all these benefits are amplified, and it's time for refeeding. But it's important to start slow. Small amounts of nutrient-dense foods like eggs, sauerkraut, avocado, berries, or bone broth. Overloading the system can cause nausea or digestive issues, so gradual reintroduction is key. After this 5-day fast, your body, mind, and genes are transformed. Protective genes are turned on, neurons and mitochondria are supported. Your muscles and skin feel renewed, and your digestive system has been rejuvenated. Fasting is not just abstaining from food, it's a chance to reset, heal, and optimize your body like nothing else. Start with intermittent fasting, build up your practice, and you'll unlock these profound benefits for yourself.